from Detroit, Michigan, and the new
Last time I did it, it really wasn't no expectations. It was the first time. This time I gotta be better than the last time. Anytime I do a shoe, I do it as if I'm about to put it on. So I seen the picture of the outfit. You know what I'm saying? So I pictured myself in the outfit, and then I was thinking like, what would I want to have on if I was rocking this? You know what I'm saying? So that's where it really come from. I just put myself in the shoes for real.
Pull up in motorcades, I got a show today. It's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. Choppers a throwaway. Hustle the overweight. That's why they follow me, huh? They think I know the way. Cause I took control of things. Ballin' the solo way. And if you pattern my trend, I make you my protege. Slossin' that soldier race. Don't know them days. Take you in back of the buildings. Make you expose your rage.
And on this one, I added like details, you know what I'm saying? I threw the buffs on there. I threw the lion on there. You know what I'm saying? Super bad to respect. I got the neighborhood shoe man on there. I just put a little bit more into it.
I just paid all of my dues. I just respected the game. Now my name all in the news. Tripping on all of my moves. Quote me on this, got a lot more to prove. Remember I came in this fresh out the county with nothing to lose.
Look. Off top. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You can't just give somebody anything and expect them to be happy with it, you know what I'm saying? You gotta take people's expectations, then take it another level.
All money in. Hustling out. Hustling motivate.
Victory lap.